Today we're going to see if we can take an old, probably $1 pair of vice grips and turn it into a $40 pair. Let's do it. So if you've never used these huge clamp style vice grips, they're amazing. I have a whole bunch of these that I use all the time, that, you know, to clamp down stuff for metalworking, woodworking, stuff like that. I picked these up years and years ago at an auction or something. This set though, I bought myself, and it's the only one I have this size, and I love it, but it was expensive. I paid around 40 bucks for this, and that's why I only have one, is because I paid 40 bucks for it. And I keep my eye out for ones used or something, can't find them. So I was going to buy some more. I was going to buy 2 more sets, but it's kind of spendy. So I decided I have all the tools to build the tool that I want, and I have tons of extra just vice grips, so why not take this set of vice grips and essentially just put on some big jaws. On the smaller ones like this, it's just all a piece of 1/4 inch thick material. On the bigger one like this, probably to save material, so you didn't have this huge gap in here of just wasted material, and also to spread the load a little bit. You kind of have, you know, got your C channel, but it's kind of functioning like an inverse I-beam, where this top is actually spreading. It's resisting the want for it to bend back and forth. I think I'm going to cut it completely out of just a piece of 1/4 inch plate, and then make a like an I-beam strip across the probably the inside or the outside. We'll see, to give it rigidity so it doesn't want to flex. I do like the little pads on it a little bit better than the nub style. Both work. I think the pads kind of spread the load a little bit better and kind of hold stuff a little bit more even. So we'll go along with that. I'm going to use this set right here. This is a vintage New Britain, which was sold by Napa. I think it was their house brand, but made in the USA. Good set. I just never use it. I found this completely rusted up, de-rusted it, and I just never use it. And then I have this Craftsman set right here. This is a Robolock. I never use this either. Don't know why. It's a little finicky, but it has this system where it automatically adjusts the thickness. So you set it up, and then you can set how much tension's on it, but you don't have to sit there and screw the screw in the back. So I thought that might be handy on something like this. Just automatically set the tension, and no matter what you're grabbing, to be able to utilize it. It's a little finicky, but we can get it to work. Maybe partly because I never ever use it. But we'll just start cutting out some 1/4 inch plate. Now we got to make the little pads for this. We got this leftover scrap, so we'll just chuck this in here. We'll get a huge hole cutter that cuts out a huge plug. We'll use the plug from the inside, this mag drill. We'll just set it in there. There we go, there's the plug out of it. And we'll just mount a little hinge, mount that on it after we clean it up a little bit. there we go. I've actually been playing around with them a couple minutes, and I see no issues with them. They actually work really well. The auto locking Craftsman works just like it should. It's actually kind of nice. And this is the original one. And I was seeing if these were bending, and they're not bending it at all. If anything, my original one is pretty dang bent. So I don't know if you guys can see, but my original one actually got a pretty good bend to it already. This one's bending this way, this one's this way, and both these things are winging in. But the other two are doing just fine. I might have this one a little off-centered. This one actually is the strongest. This one feels the same as this one. I can actually get this one tighter. So both of these work better than the original VISE GRIP one. And I don't know if it's just because they've decided to cheap out and, you know, to save material, put this little C channel in versus just doing solid. But these are actually extremely stout. I've wrenched down as tight as I can on these. They don't seem like they're bending or anything else. I actually was going to take this strip of stuff and lay it across the back and bend it all the way around and tack weld it in all the way across just to keep any side-to-side movement, but I don't think they need it. Guess we can't not paint it, or else it'd flash rust, so give it a lick of paint. Black. Why not? Flat black. Don't get me wrong, these are not that expensive. You know, especially if you go buy some Harbor Freight ones or something else like that. But you get pride in making stuff yourself. You know, just because we can't buy stuff made in America anymore doesn't mean we need to be too prideful to not make stuff in America anymore. Awesome little project. It was fun. I could have made bigger ones, super custom, something else like that, and they would have worked the same. This is what I use. I've never seen the need to have a bigger one. This one's probably my favorite. This auto locking one. I'm thinking it was called Robo Grip or something else like that, if I recall, from Craftsman, where it just automatically sets the tension. It didn't work too well being a small little thing because you had to force the jaws open. The jaws were so small. But now the jaws are, I have these huge jaws, so it's easy to reset the load every single time and do different thickness materials. But thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoy that. Have a good one. Bye. There's a bug. It's winter. Hey, you want to try a new trick? Okay, ready? Stay. Stay. Hop up. Oh, good job. Okay, hop down. Oh, good job. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. You dead? Yeah? Bang. Oh, you're awake. Okay. Oh, we missed that time. Okay, hop down. We gotta do it again. Get up. There we go. Okay, sit. Sit and wait for it. Sit. Leave it. Get it. Oh, you got it. Good job. See you guys soon. Bye.